Very good morning to all of you, and welcome to the new week at Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. So, last three sessions of the last week were very tough for the markets. In fact, the high that Nifty made around 50 DMA. So, the 50 DMA, the red line over here, was giving us a good resistance to the market. We are not able to move above that level. But the last three sessions, that's Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, were not that good for the market. In fact, on Friday, we closed below the 100 DMA level. So the action was something very similar to what happened over here when the bottom was formed, potential bottom, I mean. But the good part was that on Friday, we didn't undercut that level. Agar ye 774 ka level, if we had undercut, in that case, the market would have shifted to a downtrend. And that is valid even today. So today the opening is expected to be good. The global market is decent. The SGX is good. That's the different thing. But in case if today, tomorrow, whenever we cut this 17774 level, we will be shifting again to a downtrend, and there can be a little more sell-off below that level. And below this downtrend level, we might test the 200 DMA level. So that's the thing to watch out for. On the flip side, if we reclaim the 100 DMA level and close above it, then that's important. But one level which is very important to mark is 18,050. Okay, that was the high of Friday. 18,050, 47 था, वो Friday का high था. So since last four sessions, we have not closed above the previous day high, or we have not even reclaimed the previous day high intraday. So once we are about this 18,050 level, then again the chances are that we will be moving towards this 21 or 50 वाला जो zone है, that is 18,200 to 18,300 वाला zone, वहां पे हम फिर से जा सकते हैं. So first level on the higher side to look out for is 18,000 with psychological support. If we close above 18,000 again, then there are chances that we might move higher. Then second is 18,050. And then third, the very important, that is 18,200 to 300 zone. जहाँ पे Nifty multiple times resistance लिया. If we close above these things, then our focus is more on follow through day. अगर हम डाउन ट्रेंड में नहीं गए, रैली अटेम्प्ट में रहे, then our focus is on follow through day. That is 1.5% gain on a volume higher than previous session. If we get a follow through day, the market status gets shifted to a confirm uptrend, and there we will be very confident on adding the stocks. So please note these levels. These are important. On the downside, 17,774. On these levels on the higher side. Okay. So on the news front, ABFRL to raise around 500 crore. Titan Q3 sales as well as the jewelry business growth was decent. The new addition was very good. Tata Steel's Q3 business was good. 4.2% growth in the domestic business, but the delivery volumes are down around 3.6%. However, European business fell 6.25%, but their delivery volume rose 4.8%. All these numbers are on a QOQ basis. Bandhan Bank advances grew 14%, deposits also grew 21% on a YOY basis, but the CASA deposits were down. Ashoka Bitcoin emerged as, as the lowest bidder for NHAI project worth 2,200 crore. But this is on Friday. So on Friday, FIIs sold around 2,900 crore, the net selling, and the DIIs net buying was around 1,100 crore. So FII again continues to sell, and DI giving some bit of support, but now not matching those numbers. So today, TCS will be reporting its Q3 numbers. So they already filed that they will be considering for a dividend. What the market is looking for is improvement in margin on a QOQ basis. ऐसा expectation है कि margin बढ़ जाएगा on a QOQ basis. ठीक है. Second thing important is around 1.5% का growth होगा revenue में QOQ in constant currency terms. CC terms में 1.5% का growth estimate है. Plus the focus will be on the deal win momentum. क्योंकि अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं कि ग्लोबली थोड़ा टेक्नोलॉजी स्पेंड कम होगा, इन्फ्लेशन की वजह से यूएस यूरोप में थोड़ा इश्यूज है, so that might impact our IT companies. But is it reflecting in the deal win momentum? If it continues, then that will be very positive, because TCS is a leader in India, and so the other IT companies might also follow. And the management comments on the estimates, especially the margin, revenue growth, and the deal momentum. So that will be very important to watch in the TCS result. If it delivers well, then there can be some very good momentum in IT. But if it fails, then I think technically it's already a little weak. So if there is some poor result and you might see the commentary is not that good, then there might be a further sell. So just wait for the result. Don't try to be early to enter or exit. Wait for the result and let's see how they deliver. Global market updates. Yes, the Friday was a very good session for the US market, and that's what reflecting this morning in SGX as well. So this morning, Shanghai is up, Kospi is up around 2%, and Nikkei is closed. So yes, SGX Nifty is indicating कि हाँ वो 18,000 के around कुछ opening हो सकता है market का. And these are the futures levels. So maybe somewhere around 18,000 market might open. Important thing to watch out is sustain होता है या नहीं होता है. अगर sustain होता है तो क्या वो 18,050 का level जो कि Friday का high था उसके ऊपर वो trade कर पाता है या नहीं कर पाता. So these are the couple of things you need to watch out in the opening sessions. But एक दिन की rally से 2 दिन की rally से don't try to jump in too early. These rallies can be deceiving, especially when the market is going down. These kind of rallies do happen. So don't get deceived by these rallies. But yes, if there is some concrete confirmation, rule-based confirmation, then that's always good. So that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow again at